Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can turn off autofill in Microsoft Edge. So in order to turn off autofill in Microsoft Edge, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first of all, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon next to it, go to settings. And when you are on the settings menu, you'll be able to see your info and all that. Page, you could go to profile settings or you could go to manage account. As you press on manage account, then it's going to take you to the page where you could go ahead and fill out the information. So there's no such direct way of turning off the autofill, so you have to do it one after the another. So first of all, you need to go to personal info, and when you are on the personal info section, then you have to go ahead and toggle the button for automatic, or you could also go ahead and toggle the button for your payment section, all of that, and with that you'll be able to turn off autofill on Microsoft Edge. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.